Connecting Ecwid to Shopify allows you to enhance your online store by combining the strengths of both platforms. Here's how to set up the integration. Create your accounts. Ensure you have active accounts on both Ecwid and Shopify. If you don't have an Ecwid account, sign up at Ecwid. Access Ecwid's App Store. Log into your Ecwid account and go to the App Market from the dashboard. Find Shopify integration. In the App Market, search for the Shopify integration. Click on it to learn more about the app. Install the integration. Click on the Install or Add to Ecwid button to start the integration process. Log into Shopify. You will be prompted to log into your Shopify account. Ensure you have admin access. Authorize the connection. Follow the on-screen prompts to authorize the connection between Ecwid and Shopify. Sync products. After authorization, you can choose which products to sync from Ecwid to Shopify. This process may take a few moments. Finalize setup. Review the integration settings and confirm that your products are displaying correctly on Shopify.